Most traders think they need a better strategy, but that usually is not the real problem. I have seen traders stay stuck for years because they ignore three things that actually create consistent results. Today, I'm going to break down the three biggest upgrades any trader can make. If you do all three, your trading can completely change. Number 1. Have a framework. Most traders lose because they trade randomly. They jump into setups with no repeatable process. A framework gives you structure. It tells you what markets you trade, what setups you take, what confirms an entry, where your risk goes, where your targets go, and when to stay out. Without a framework, every trade becomes emotional guessing. With a framework, every trade becomes data. This is exactly why I created my ebook, to help traders stop gambling and start operating with a real process. Number 2. Discipline and structure to control emotions. This is where most traders know what to do, but they do not do it. They revenge trade. They move stops. They overtrade after wins. They size up emotionally. Discipline is not motivation. Discipline is structure. If your trading depends on how you feel that day, you will never stay consistent. Real traders create rules. Maximum trades per day. Maximum loss per day. Only trade during certain hours. No chasing candles. No trading after an emotional loss. Structure removes emotional decision-making. That is where consistency begins. Number 3. Track every trade. This is one of the most ignored edges in trading. Most traders repeat mistakes because they never study themselves. If you do not track what setups work best, what time you trade best, where you lose discipline, your average risk to reward, your win rate by setup, and emotional mistakes, then you're trading blind. Your journal should expose patterns. Because once you see patterns, improvement becomes obvious. That is why I'm giving away my free trade tracker. So if you want better trading results, build a framework, use discipline through structure, and track every trade. Most traders chase indicators. Professionals improve process. If you want help with all three, grab my ebook through the link below. It lays out simple concepts you can use or adapt to your own trading system. And if you need a free trade tracker, I'll link that below too. Drop a comment and tell me which of these three you struggle with most: framework, discipline, or tracking. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your trading.